Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade using LUTs. So you're just going to download any LUT that you find. I'm just going to find some off of a website. Then I'm going to just start downloading it, and I'm going to open the folder. And it is in a cute file, so that's perfect. We're just going to go to CapCut, and we are going to add a video that we want to color grade, I guess. Then we are going to go to adjustments, LUT, and import that LUT. So my LUT is in this new folder. Or not. Okay, I'm just going to import another LUT, for instance like this one. And I'm just going to add it on top of the video to color grade it, and you can adjust the strength here. You can also adjust the temperature of it as well, the hue, saturation, the brightness, and the contrast, and you can just edit the rest yourself. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!